The sky is alive. Look at this video. Look at these birds flying. Did you see it? Let's have another look. Slow down. Watch the bottom bird. Did you see that? Let's look a little bit closer. Surely you saw it that time. What is that? Zooming by. Here's a little coloration to maybe see it. Saucer shaped. I mean, look at this thing. Interesting. And these, clearly birds. Look at the wing flap. You can see the wings moving. I mean, look how fast this thing is going. This is 240 frames per second. Those birds are absolutely flying incredibly fast, slowed down, obviously, by 240 frames, but you can still see the wing flap. Once again, clearly birds. And then this thing. Zoom. What is that? But look at these birds. Now I'm going to speed this clip up. Watch how fast the birds are flying in real time. They're moving. This is real speed. Absolutely flying. Did you see it move by? Here, let's zoom in. In the blink of an eye. Wow. Still frame. There's the two birds. And then there's this. The sky is alive.